Today, we are talking about the brand new DJI Osmo Mobile 8, the ultimate smartphone gimbal for creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. If you want buttery smooth cinematic shots, powerful tracking features, and a compact design, this device is made for you. Let's jump straight into its features and see why the Osmo Mobile 8 is getting so much attention. DJI has upgraded the stabilization system. Your footage becomes smooth, shake-free, and cinematic, even while running or shooting fast movements. Perfect for travel videos, action shots, and vlogging. Lighter and stronger design. The Osmo Mobile 8 is more compact and lightweight, making it easier to carry anywhere. New ergonomic grip improves handling during long shoots. ActiviTrack 7.0 improved eye tracking. Lock onto faces, pets, vehicles, or moving subjects with extreme accuracy. Keeps the subject perfectly centered automatically. Works smoothly even in low-light environments. Quick launch and magnetic clamp. Just attach the magnetic clamp, start shooting instantly. No complicated balancing needed. Built-in extension rod selfie stick. Perfect for vlogging, group shots, high-angle and low-angle cinematic shots. Gives you more distance and creative angles. New gesture controls. Start recording, take photos, switch camera modes without touching your phone. Very useful for solo creators. Story mode templates. Dozens of ready-made cinematic templates. Add transitions, music, effects instantly from the DJI Mimo app. Advanced panorama and time-lapse modes. Time-lapse, hyperlapse, motion-lapse for cinematic transitions, 240 panorama and clone mode for creative shots. Long battery life, up to 6 to 10 hours depending on usage. Quick charging for continuous shooting. Content creators and vloggers. Perfect for daily vlogs, travel videos, product shots. Smartphone filmmakers. Convert your phone footage into professional-level cinema. Travel and outdoor shooters. Smooth shots while walking, running, hiking, cycling. Events and parties. Great for birthday shoots, wedding moments, parties, behind the scenes. TikTok and Instagram Reels. Vertical shooting is super easy with fast mode switching. Extremely smooth footage. Makes smartphone videos look like they're shot on a professional camera. Easy for beginners. No complicated settings. Just attach your phone and start shooting. Pro-level video tools. ActiviTrack, time-lapse, slow motion, and cinematic presets help create high-quality content. Lightweight and travel-friendly. Carry anywhere, pocket-friendly design. Affordable alternative to expensive gimbals. You get professional stabilization without buying a big camera, more stable. 3-axis motor. Better eye tracking. Lighter, more compact, more comfortable. Faster startup with magnetic clamp. Improved creative shooting modes. Better battery efficiency. Attach your smartphone. Open the magnetic clamp and fit it to the center of your phone. Make sure the camera is on the correct side. Connect to the DJI Mimo app. Download the DJI Mimo app. Turn on the gimbal the app gives connect via Bluetooth. The app unlocks tracking, time-lapse, and story mode. Power on the gimbal. Press and hold the power button. The gimbal automatically balances your phone. Choose shooting modes. Use the M button to switch. Portrait mode for TikTok, Reels. Landscape mode YouTube, cinematic shots. Follow mode. Tilt lock mode. FPV mode for dynamic action shots. Start shooting. Use the record button to start video. Use the joystick to pan or tilt smoothly. Use gesture control to capture hands-free. Use the extension rod for creative angles. Pull out the built-in selfie stick for high angle, low angle, group shots, or vlogging. Use ActiviTrack 7.0. Tap on the subject you want to track. The gimbal will automatically follow the subject smoothly. Use creative modes: time-lapse, hyperlapse, motion-lapse, panorama, clone. These make your shots more cinematic. Super smooth stabilization. Removes all shakes from walking, running, and moving shots. Makes smartphone videos look like professional camera footage. Great for solo creators. Gesture control. Eye subject tracking. Story templates. Built-in extension rod. All help you create videos without needing anyone else. Perfect for vlogging and reels. Fast switching between portrait and landscape. Smooth panning and cinematic movements. Compact and lightweight. Easy to carry in your bag or pocket. Ideal for travel and daily shooting. Professional shooting modes. Motion lapse, hyperlapse, panoramas, slow motion shots. Great for creating creative content that stands out. Affordable content creation tool. Gives professional level stabilization without needing a big camera. Not good with heavy phones. Very heavy or thick smartphones may unbalance the gimbal. Large camera modules sometimes need extra adjustment. No built-in microphone. For better audio, you must use an external mic. Limited zoom control on some phones. iPhone and Android zoom control may vary depending on phone model. Not waterproof. You cannot use it in rain or underwater. Requires DJI Mimo app for full features. Without the app, many AI and creative features won't work. Use slow walk for cinematic shots. Even with a gimbal, slow and smooth movements equals more cinematic. Use good lighting. Phone cameras perform better with good light. Use an external microphone. Audio is the soul of your video. A gimbal won't fix bad sound. Shoot at 60 FPS or 30 Fps. Better stabilization and smoother movement. Keep your phone balanced. Helps extend battery life of the gimbal. Perfect for YouTubers, TikTok Reels creators, travel vloggers, event shooters, smartphone filmmakers, beginners who want smooth videos,